Welcome to Home Pantry Pro, and today we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises a lot for your kitchen. We're talking about the CAROTE 27-piece ceramic cookware set with detachable handles. If you're looking for a versatile, space-saving, and healthier cooking solution, you're in the right place. Let's start with the star of the show, the ceramic non-stick coating. CAROTE highlights that you can cook with little to no oil, and that's a huge plus for anyone trying to eat healthier. In my testing, this claim holds up quite well. Eggs, pancakes, and even delicate fish slide right off the surface without any sticking. This not only makes cooking more enjoyable but also significantly speeds up the cleanup process. Speaking of cleanup, this set is also dishwasher safe, which is a fantastic convenience. The ultra-smooth surface means most food residue wipes away with just a gentle scrub, and for tougher jobs, the dishwasher handles the rest. This really does save time and effort in the kitchen after a meal. One of the most innovative features of this CAROTE set is the detachable handles. This is a game changer for storage. They claim it saves up to 70% more storage space when stacked, and I can definitely see why. You can easily remove the handles to stack the pots and pans neatly, which is perfect for smaller kitchens or RVs and camping, as they specifically mention this set is great for those uses. The handles themselves click on and off securely, feeling quite robust when attached. This versatility also means you can take the pots directly from the stovetop to the oven, and then right to your dining table, serving in the same pot. Safety and health are paramount in cooking, and CAROTE emphasizes that this set is made without PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, or other harmful chemicals. This means you can cook with confidence, knowing you're not exposing yourself or your family to toxic substances. The ceramic coating is a popular choice for those seeking a healthier alternative to traditional non-stick materials. The set itself is incredibly comprehensive, which is why it's 27 pieces. You get a variety of fry pans in 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch sizes, perfect for everything from a single egg to cooking for a crowd. There are saucepans in 1.5 quart, 3 quart, and 4 quart sizes, and a 4 quart sauté pan. Lids are included for the larger pots, and there's a universal lid that fits the 7-inch to 8.5-inch pans. Beyond the cookware, the set includes 2 trivets to protect your surfaces, 2 detachable handles, and a generous selection of kitchen utensils like a fish turner, solid turner, ladle, tongs, and a potato masher. They even throw in 7 pan protectors to keep your precious non-stick surfaces safe when stacked. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pros are undoubtedly the excellent non-stick performance, the incredible space-saving design due to the detachable handles, and the healthy, non-toxic materials. The sheer number of pieces and included utensils also offers great value. It's a fantastic starter set or an upgrade for someone looking to consolidate their kitchenware. The durability of the detachable handles is also a significant plus, as they feel secure and well-made. The transition from stovetop to oven to table is seamless and practical. On the con side, while the non-stick is excellent, like all non-stick cookware, it requires proper care to maintain its longevity. You'll want to avoid metal utensils and abrasive scrubbers. Also, the detachable handle system, while brilliant for storage, does add an extra step to everyday use. You need to remember to attach and detach it. For some, this might be a minor inconvenience, but for others, it's a small price to pay for the space it saves. The initial learning curve for attaching and detaching the handles is very minimal, but it's still an extra step to consider compared to traditional cookware. The service and guarantee offered by CAROTE are also reassuring. They mention a strict inspection process and a guarantee for defective items, which is always a good sign of a company standing behind its product. In conclusion, the CAROTE 27-piece ceramic cookware set is a highly versatile, user-friendly, and health-conscious option for any home cook. The combination of effective non-stick performance, intelligent space-saving design with detachable handles, and a commitment to non-toxic materials makes this a standout choice. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this set offers a lot of bang for your buck, with everything you need to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks. Link in the description.